What's up everyone, welcome back to The Luxury. Today, we're diving into the hunt for the next big crypto gem. Imagine being the first to discover a secret level in a game or a new hit song. That's what we're after in crypto today. I've spent days with my team digging through charts and white papers to bring you 5 low-cap altcoins with serious 10x potential. We'll break down what each project does and why it could be the next big thing. But quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just entertainment and education. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose and always do your own research. Ready for the treasure map? Let's get into it. These could be the most important coins you hear about all year. So buckle up because this is going to be wild. Let's get started. First up is Ethereum Prime, or AEP, a project aiming to revolutionize gaming as we know it. Forget basic NFTs or play-to-earn models. AEP is building the infrastructure for cross-game assets, a digital passport for your in-game items, allowing unprecedented interoperability. Imagine earning a legendary sword in one game and using it as a car skin in another. That's the future AEP is building, breaking down the walls between different gaming worlds. The team behind this ambitious project? Ex-Blizzard and Riot Games developers, real gaming veterans with years of experience. Their tech is next level, a proprietary sidechain called ChronoLink for instant gas-free in-game transactions, making the gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable. No more slow, expensive blockchain gaming. AEP makes it seamless for everyone, ensuring that gamers can focus on what they love most, playing. The big news? They've partnered with a cult favorite indie studio to integrate AEP tech into an upcoming game, setting the stage for a groundbreaking launch. If this launch succeeds, it could attract major gaming companies, potentially reshaping the industry landscape. The AEP token powers everything, minting assets, governance, marketplace fees, driving real demand and creating a robust ecosystem. The gaming market is bigger than movies and music combined. Even a tiny slice of this market is huge, offering immense potential. AEP's market cap is under $20 million. If they pull this off, a 10x return is just the start of what could be a monumental rise. Infrastructure plays like this are often overlooked but can be the most valuable, providing the backbone for future innovations. The community is full of real gamers and devs, not just speculators, ensuring that the project remains grounded in genuine passion and expertise. Their Discord is buzzing with genuine discussions about game design and tech, reflecting a vibrant and engaged community. To recap, an all-star team, breakthrough tech, a real-world catalyst, and a tiny market cap make AEP a compelling opportunity. High risk but the reward, off the charts, offering a unique opportunity for those willing to take the plunge. This is the kind of asymmetric bet we're after. High potential with calculated risk. If you're into gaming and crypto, put AEP on your watch list. It's a project that could redefine both industries. Research it deeply. This could be a game changer, offering insights and opportunities that are rare in today's market. Don't sleep on Ethereum Prime. This could be the next big thing in gaming and crypto. The next gaming revolution might just start here. Let's move on. Next up, Synapse Neural, SNP, an AI project with real utility, not just buzzwords. SNP is a decentralized marketplace for computing power, letting anyone rent out their unused GPU to AI developers. Training AI models is expensive. Usually only big tech can afford it. SNP democratizes access for startups and researchers. It's like Airbnb for supercomputers. The cloud computing market is massive, and SNP offers a cheaper, decentralized alternative. Their mainnet just launched and is already processing real jobs, huge for credibility. The team is public and professional, led by a former Stanford AI researcher. They hold regular AMAs and are constantly shipping updates. The SNP token is the network's core. Developers pay with it, providers earn it, and holders vote on governance. As network activity grows, so does token demand. Market cap, under $30 million. For a live product in a red-hot sector, that's low. If SNP captures even a fraction of the cloud market, the upside is enormous. This isn't just speculation, it's working infrastructure. As AI demand explodes, affordable computing power will be critical. SNP is perfectly positioned for that wave. This is a long-term hold for me. If you believe in the future of AI, don't ignore Synapse Neural. Real product, real use case, real potential. Check it out and do your own research. Let's keep going. The next project is for DeFi fans. Third on our list is Momentum Finance, MFI, a DeFi platform that's all about making crypto investing simple, hands-off, and surprisingly profitable for everyone, no matter your experience level. MFI is an automated asset management protocol. You just deposit your crypto and their smart algorithms go to work, constantly scanning the market to find the best yields and opportunities for you. No manual effort required. Forget about spending hours researching protocols or stressing over managing positions, just set it and forget it. MFI is designed for people who want to earn without the daily grind. What really sets MFI apart from the crowd? Their advanced risk management system, which is built to protect your assets even in unpredictable markets. Their vaults are engineered to prioritize safety first, yield second, so you can rest easy knowing your funds are protected. Their AI-driven dynamic rebalancing system automatically moves your funds to safer options during periods of high volatility, minimizing risk and maximizing peace of mind. And they just rolled out a major V2 upgrade, introducing new vaults, leverage strategies for higher returns, and a completely revamped tokenomics model to benefit users even more. The MFI token now shares platform fees with stakers, directly linking token value to platform growth. The more the platform grows, the more value flows to token holders. The team is fully doxed, led by a former Wall Street quant, and their contracts are audited by top security firms, so you know you're in good hands. Market cap? Around $15 million, with total value locked, TVL, growing every single week as more users discover the platform. What's wild is that similar projects with less to offer are valued much higher, making MFI look like a hidden gem in the DeFi space. As DeFi matures, simple and safe solutions like MFI are perfectly positioned to attract the next wave of mainstream users who want easy access to crypto yields. It's a gateway for new users and a reliable passive income stream for seasoned investors looking to diversify. MFI tackles DeFi's biggest problem, complexity, by making everything intuitive and user-friendly. By making it both easy and secure, they unlock massive adoption potential and lower the barrier to entry for everyone. With strong tokenomics, a tiny valuation, and real utility, MFI stands out from the crowd. This is a recipe for explosive growth, especially as more people look for passive income in crypto. If you want passive income without the hassle, Momentum Finance is definitely worth a closer look. It could easily become the DeFi leader for the next wave of users entering the space. As always, do your own research, but don't overlook this one. It might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Now let's shift gears and talk about real-world assets, another huge trend in DeFi that's just getting started. The next project is a true game changer for green finance, and you won't want to miss it. Fourth is Viridian Chain, VRC, a real-world asset project focused on tokenizing carbon credits. This innovative approach aims to revolutionize the carbon credit market by leveraging blockchain technology. Carbon credits are a multi-billion-dollar market, but the current system is slow, opaque, and full of middlemen. This inefficiency not only hampers the market's growth, but also makes it difficult for companies to meet their sustainability goals effectively. VRC brings the entire carbon credit lifecycle onto the blockchain, transparent, efficient, and fraud-proof. By doing so, it eliminates the need for intermediaries and speeds up the entire process. Companies can verify, buy, and trade credits with full transparency, eliminating greenwashing. This ensures that the credits they purchase are genuine and contribute to real-world environmental benefits. VRC is like the NASDAQ for carbon credits, providing a centralized platform for trading and managing these assets. They're first movers, with partnerships with major verification bodies and real-world projects lined up. These collaborations add credibility and trust to their platform. Huge news: a Fortune 500 company is piloting VRC to manage their carbon offsets. This pilot project could set a precedent for other large corporations to follow. That's massive validation and could open the door for more big players. The success of this pilot could lead to widespread adoption across various industries. The VRC token powers the ecosystem, transaction fees, credit issuance, and governance. This tokenomics model ensures that the platform remains sustainable and scalable. Every transaction burns a bit of VRC, creating deflationary pressure as usage grows. This deflationary mechanism could increase the token's value over time. The team blends blockchain expertise with deep carbon market experience. This unique combination positions them well to tackle the challenges of both industries. The CEO has 20+ years in carbon markets, crucial for bridging crypto and real-world finance. His leadership is a significant asset for the company. The RWA narrative is just starting, and VRC is at the forefront. This early positioning could offer substantial growth opportunities. With a market cap under $25 million, it's flying under the radar. This low valuation presents a unique investment opportunity. If they become the go-to for tokenized carbon credits, 10x is just the beginning. The potential for exponential growth is enormous. This is green finance with real impact and huge upside. Investing in VRC means supporting sustainable initiatives while potentially reaping significant financial rewards. If you want exposure to the next evolution in finance, look at Viridian Chain. It's a promising opportunity in a rapidly growing sector. It's a true gem in a growing sector. Don't overlook this innovative project. Do your own research, but don't miss this trend. The future of finance is evolving, and VRC is leading the charge. Now let's wrap up with privacy. Last up is Umbra Protocol, UMB, a privacy coin built for scale and smart contracts. Privacy is a huge issue in crypto. Most blockchains are fully transparent. Umbra uses phantom proofs for fast, lightweight private transactions. Unlike older privacy coins, Umbra is scalable and programmable. It's the first privacy-preserving smart contract platform. Think private DeFi, private DEX, and more. Institutions and whales want privacy, and Umbra delivers it. Their mainnet is live, and smart contract capabilities are launching soon, a major catalyst. The UMB token is essential. It pays for transactions, powers smart contracts, and can be staked for rewards. The team is made up of top cryptographers, builders, not marketers. Privacy is a fundamental right, and demand for it will only grow. With a market cap just over $20 million, Umbra is undervalued for its tech. Regulatory risk is real, but the tech is game-changing. If Umbra succeeds, it could be a 100x, not just 10x. High risk, ultra-high reward. If you care about privacy, put Umbra Protocol on your radar. This is a contrarian bet with massive upside. Do your research and decide if it fits your risk profile. That's our final pick. Let's wrap up. Here's what to do next. That's 5 low-cap altcoins with serious 10x potential for the next bull run. From gaming and AI to DeFi, real-world assets, and privacy, these projects are pushing blockchain's limits. I've given you the map. The treasure hunt is up to you. If you found value, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Drop your favorite project in the comments or share your own hidden gem. One last time, do your own research. This is not financial advice. High risk, high reward. Know what you're investing in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.